this video tutorial we're going to learn how to write the Japanese word for money, which is okane. Now okane consists of two parts, the o on the left, and that's the honorific o. This is the o that's applied to many daily items. When something is very frequently used in Japanese, it almost invariably takes the honorific o. The second part is the character, which has come to mean gold. Originally it meant any kind of metal, but it now means gold, and it's also the name of Friday. Friday in Japanese is gold day or king yobi. So money is actually honourable gold, which makes perfect sense. Let's have a look at the stroke order of the character meaning gold. Now there is some controversy over exactly what this kanji originally was a pictograph of, whether it was a metal bell in ancient China or whether it actually showed the gold being mined underneath the ground. Now I like the one showing a gold mine because I think it graphically it really does remind me of that. So we're going to think of this as a gold mine. Now we begin by drawing the roof over the top. Now to keep a gold mine safe, it really does need a roof over the top. So we go down on the left and down on the right to draw our nice pointed roof. Then we're going to put this line here, which indicates the top of the ground. So everything else is underneath the ground. Now the next part of this character you can perhaps recognize as the character which means dirt or earth, or sometimes it means a place. Now of course underneath the ground there's a lot of dirt, so it makes perfect sense. So next we're going to do the first stroke of this element meaning earth. Okay, so we go across like that. That's the first stroke of earth. Then we do the second stroke going down like that. And you might recall the story to do with this character meaning earth is two leaves and then a stalk going down. So we've just drawn the stalk. Now we're going to stop for a moment and we're now going to do the two pieces of glittering gold underneath there in the dirt at the bottom of the mine. And then finally we're going to finish off this character meaning dirt or earth. Okay, so there we have a roof on the top of our mine. We've got the top of the ground next. Then we've got the element meaning earth or dirt. But before we finish it off, we do the two gold specks. And finally, we finish that element meaning dirt. And there we have the character meaning gold. We then add the o. We pop in our character meaning gold. And there we have okane, money.